हेलो बच्चों, आज मैं आपके सामने अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर के साथ जिसमें हम पढ़ेंगे ऑफ बाउ प्रिंसिपल। तो आइए देखते हैं ऑफ बाउ प्रिंसिपल क्या है। ऑफ बाउ प्रिंसिपल, ऑफ बाउ इज नॉट ए नेम ऑफ साइंटिस्ट बट इट इज ए जर्मन वर्ड जर्मन वर्ड which means building up which means building up and building up of orbitals means filling up of electrons filling up of electrons in orbitals. It means how the electrons are filled in atomic orbitals. So according Aufbau principle, electrons are filled in atomic orbitals according to their increasing energy according to their increasing energies. Means lower energy orbitals are filled up first and higher energy orbitals are filled up later. So how we can find the energy of orbitals? For finding the energy of orbitals, there is n plus L rule. By this rule we can find the energy of orbitals, means which orbital has lower energy and which orbital has higher energy. Suppose 1s here orbitals and here n plus L. 1s value of n is 1 and value of L for s is 0. So n plus L equal to 1 or 1s. 2s n equal to 2 and s equal to again 0. So n plus L will be 2. 3s n is 3 and L for s is again 0. So n plus L will be 3. Again 3p, n for 3p is 3 and L for p is 1. So n plus L will be 4. 3s 3p 4s, n is 4 and L for s again 0. This will be 4. 3d n here will be 3 and L for d is 2. So n plus L will be equal to 5. Like this we can write different orbitals and find n plus L for each orbital. Again we can write here 4p and n for 4p here 4 and L is 1. So this will be 5. Here you can see 1s n plus L equal to 1, 2s n plus L equal to 2, 3s n plus L equal to 3, 3p n plus L equal to 4, 4s n plus L equal to 4, 3d n plus L equal to 5, 4p n plus L equal to 5. Here you can see this is the increasing order of energy. Increasing order of energy of orbitals. So we can write in the increasing order of energy of orbitals 1s, 2s, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p. Here we can see n plus L value is same and here also n plus L value is same. So in this situation, which orbital is written first here? So the orbital having lower value of n is written first, then the orbital having higher value of n. So you can see here 3p is written first and 4s is written later, means n here is 3 and here n is 4, but n plus L values are same for 3p and 4s. 3p 4 and 4s also 4. So 3p is written first because it has lower value of principal quantum number n equal to 3, and 4s has higher value n equal to 4 than 3p orbital. So this is the order of increasing energy of orbitals. We can also understand this by a simple picture or simple diagram. So let us understand that. So dear students, in case of multi-electronic species, we can understand the increasing order of energy of orbitals by simple diagram. Suppose we start from here, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p and 7s. After that 5f, 6d and 7p. This is the order of filling of electron in the atomic orbitals. According to this, we can write 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5f, 6d and 7p. This is the order of filling of electrons in atomic orbitals, and this is the increasing order of orbitals according to n plus L rule. Here 4s is before the 3d. According to this, we can write the electronic configuration of multi-electron system easily. This is valid for multi-electron system or multi-electronic atom, but energy for single electronic system, single electron species like 1H1, He plus, Li double plus, lithium double plus, beryllium triple plus. You can see these species are single electron species. These have only single electron, one electron, one electron, one electron, and one electron. So in case of single electronic species, energy of orbitals depends only on principal quantum number n. Depends on only principal quantum number n. Means if we want to write the increasing order of energy of orbitals, then 1s is greater than 2s equal to 2p is greater than 3s equal to 3p equal to 3d is greater than 4s equal to 4p and 4d equal to 4f and etc. Means if any species which has single electron like 1h1 hydrogen, helium plus, lithium double plus, beryllium triple plus, then energy of orbitals of these single electron species will only depend on principal quantum number, not n plus l. So energy of 2s will be equal to 2p, energy of 3s will be equal to 3p and 3d, and so on. So let us see the exceptions of Aufbau principle. So students, let us see exceptions of Aufbau principle. There are some exceptions which do not follow the increasing order of energy of orbitals, which do not follow the filling of electrons in the order of their increasing energy. So let us see how many exceptions are there. Chromium, molybdenum, tungsten, and copper, silver, gold. These are the exceptions of Aufbau principle. Chromium 24, electronic configuration 4s1 3d 5. Electronic configuration 4s1 3d 5. Molybdenum 5s1 4d 5. Tungsten 6s1 5d 5. Copper 4s1 3d 10. 5s1 4d 10. 6s1 5d 10. Here you can see the energy of 4s orbital is lower than 3d orbital, but electron fills in 3d orbital, not in 4s. So this violates the Aufbau principle. Here you can see chromium 24, as we expect its electronic configuration should be 4s2 3d 4, but it does not occur because in d orbital there are 4 electrons. So for maintaining stability, one electron comes from s orbital to d orbital and it becomes like this. So just like chromium, molybdenum, tungsten, copper, silver and gold, these are the exceptions of Aufbau principle. Suppose we have to write the electronic configuration of iron 26. So we can write it like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6. By another method, it is written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6, 4s2. It can also be written by another method 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 6, 3d6 and 4s2, 2, 8, 14 and 2. This is another method of writing electronic configuration. Next method is argon. We know very well atomic number of argon is 18. So up to 18 we can write it by this symbol. Rest electrons are total in number 8. 18 plus 8 equal to 26. We can write like this: 4s2, 3d6. Another method is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6, 4s2. This is n, this is n minus 1, this is n minus 2. This orbit is known as ultimate cell or outermost cell or valence cell or valence cell. This is penultimate cell or pre-valence cell, because it is just before the valence cell, so it is also known as pre-valence cell. And n minus 2, it is known as anti-penultimate cell, or this is also known as pre-penultimate cell because it is just before the penultimate cell. Pre-penultimate cell. So this is valence cell. The electrons present in the valence cell are known as valence electrons. Electrons present in the valence cell are known as valence electrons. Two important questions are here. Suppose we have to find out the electronic configuration of copper 2 plus and iron 3 plus. So copper has atomic number 29 and 2 electrons are removed from here, then total number of electrons 27, and here this has atomic number 26, 3 electrons are removed from here, then 26 minus 3 equal to 23 electrons are here. So we have to organize 27 electrons in the increasing order of atomic orbitals. So we have to organize 27 electrons in the atomic orbitals in their increasing energy order, and we have to organize 23 electrons here in their increasing energy order. So this will be equal to argon means 18 electrons are arranged here, and after that there is 7 plus 2, 9 electrons. So we have to arrange 9 electrons. So 4s2, remaining 7 will go in 3d7. And in case of iron 3 plus, there are 23 electrons. So we can write this as argon 18 electrons are arranged here, rest there are 5 electrons. So 4s2 and 3d3. This will be the electronic configuration. One more important example is gadolinium. 64, gadolinium atomic number 64. We have to find out the electronic configuration of this element. So we know very well that after lanthanum 57 there are cerium 58 to lutetium 71. These are 4f block elements. So this atomic number will fall in this range. So this will be F block element, and this is lanthanide series. Lanthanide series. So we know very well lanthanide series comes under the 6th period of periodic table. So we can write the electronic configuration of this element by xenon 54. So we can write this Xe. 54 electrons are arranged here, rest electrons are 54 and 64, difference is 10. So we have to set only 10 electrons, and we know that sixth period means it will start by 6s2. We know very well the electronic configuration of F block element. n-1 d 0 to 1 and n-2 f1 to 14. So 6s2 5d1 and 4 2 plus 1 3 electrons are arranged here, rest remaining are 7 electrons. So the electronic configuration will be xenon 6s2 5d1 4f7. This is very important. This question has been asked many times in NEET and IIT.